Hello everybody in Facebook world. I'm Matt Brower. I'm a Schneider trainer and I'm here with you guys at the training center in Green Bay, Wisconsin. I'm going to show you an overview of some of the bulk equipment and some of the requirements the job may entail. While we wait for some viewers to pop on, we're going to show you guys inside the brand new 2019 Cascadia P4. So go ahead and have a great look. Hope you guys enjoyed the view of inside the brand new 2019 Cascadia P4 Schneider bulk truck. Now I will take you guys for a walk around the bulk truck and trailer. Before I do, I need to toss on the rest of my PPE. As a bulk driver, we are required to have a hard hat with face shield whenever we're working around the equipment. We're also required to have long sleeves, long pants, and Schneider approved footwear, along with a safety vest and safety glasses. A couple of differences you may notice between the bulk truck and a standard van truck is the fact that we have a pump, hose rack and hose trays, and saddle boxes. Inside the saddle box is where we keep all of our delivery equipment: buckets, fittings, seals, spill pads, all the equipment that may be required for delivering product. The pump and our air compressor are utilized to deliver the liquid product that we're hauling in the tanks. They're all controlled by the truck. We deliver them through our product hoses that we keep secured on the truck until we need them for delivery. In a little bit, you guys will see me take one of the hoses off and then put it back onto the truck so you have an understanding of what that may entail. Go ahead and follow me on down the side of the trailer here. Another bulk specific requirement is during pre-trips and post-trips, and anytime you're doing an offload, it's required that you go up on top of the trailer to check your washout caps and any openings on the trailer to make sure they're secure and properly set up for delivery. So I'm about to go up on top of the trailer and make sure everything is secure and good, and also show you guys what is required while you're up on top of the trailer. One of the requirements that Schneider makes our drivers do is always have 3 points of contact when ascending or descending the ladder. If you guys want to follow me down here, I have laid out a assortment of some of the equipment you may find in a bulk truck. Everything from an air hose utilized in conjunction with the truck's air compressor to pressurize trailers for delivery, buckets and spill pads used at every hose connection for delivery, standard fitting kit for all the trucks, extra caps and plugs for all the hoses, washout caps for on top of the trailers, some special fittings, along with every new driver receives a flashlight, rubber mallet, and wire cutters with their first truck. In addition to those tools, we advise basic tools as well as a heavy hammer for whenever it may be needed. Back here, we have our external valve. This is where the product will leave the trailer during an offload. I'm going to show you guys how to properly remove this cap, place the intermodal fitting on there, and prepare for hooking up a hose for the delivery. This is where a rubber mallet may come in. At this point, we're ready to hook up our hose and run the hose wherever it may be needed for the delivery. Over here, I have laid out the appropriate PPE that may be required for different types of loads. For flammable loads, it would be required to wear the Nomex coveralls. These are flame-resistant clothing coveralls. For a corrosive hazmat load, you'd be required to wear the corrosive suit. This is the jacket. The bibs. The rubber steel-toed boots. And the goggles. That's required for a corrosive hazmat load. What may also be required is the respirator. We require all of our company drivers to be clean shaven daily, and this is the reason why. We want to make sure there's a secure fit around the respirator in case the respirator were ever to be needed. The need may not be on the load that the driver is on, but may be required at the facility they're going to. So, as a default, we always have our drivers shaved to make sure they can toss on the respirator. Now I promised to show you guys how to take a hose on and off the truck. That's what I'm about to do. That was taking the hose off the truck. Quickest and easiest way to do so. Now, I will then replace the hose on the truck. That is the quickest and easiest way to replace those to the truck. The last bit that I can show you on this truck and trailer unit is another new feature that the P4 Cascadia offers, the Schneider driver. They are now coming with a built-in power inverter. So, hope you guys enjoyed the overview of the Schneider bulk truck and trailer unit. We are currently hiring for local, regional, and over-the-road positions. We hire inexperienced and experienced drivers. So if you have no experience and you're thinking about going to CDL school, or if you have 10 years of experience out on the road or anything in between, feel free to reach out to our recruiting team. You can call us at 800-44-PRIDE. or you can visit schneiderjobs.com. Again, I hope you guys had a great time watching the overview. My name's Matt Brower. If you're ever at the Gary Schneider Operating Center, feel free to stop in and say hi.